Look at this consistent, beautiful, cute character. Let's create a story. With a consistent character,
When Emily's gaze meets the squirrel's desperate eyes, a pang of guilt strikes her heart.
narration, background music, and a beautiful message. Sign up to artflow.ai. This is the interface they have. Let's choose Story Studio. 2 scenarios. You may have your own story, or you can ask AI to create it for you and you give a few topics, which is my option. Now answer a few questions. What is the public? What is the goal? What is the story about? So make your own choices and answer to the AI chat. Don't forget to choose the style of the story. That's it, click generate. Easy, right? So now you can edit the result. Below you have the scenes, and if you click on each, you'll get the options. You have 2 images and you can choose one or the other one. If you're not happy, on your menu on the left, you can ask for other images or to change the script. Well, select the images you prefer. This is such an interesting process and such an easy one as well. Don't you agree? In Story Studio, you get the results. Your stories are over here. You need to wait for a little bit, of course, and you get an email telling you it's ready. All you have to do is download it. Amazing, right? So now I'll leave you the 2 results, and at the end I'll also give you other amazing AI free tools to continue your project.
Emily loved her toys so much that she played with them all day long, and her room became a colourful chaos. Emily loved her toys so much that she played with them all day long, and her room became a colourful chaos. With her bag of garbage swinging from side to side, Emily happily strolls towards the park, oblivious to the mess she leaves behind. Amidst the littered park, hungry animals search for a scrap of food, their little tummies growling with hunger. When Emily's gaze meets the squirrel's desperate eyes, a pang of guilt strikes her heart, and she realizes she needs to help. Bending down, Emily picks up the dirty bag and begins to clean, her small hands trembling with determination. In her eagerness to help, Emily clumsily knocks over a trash can, causing birds to take flight in a startled frenzy. Emily, her face etched with sadness and confusion, shares her troubles with her friend Jacob, who points towards the park, offering a solution. Determined to make a change, Emily and her classmates come together like an army of tiny superheroes, ready to fight the battle against trash. As they remove layers of rubbish, Emily and her classmates stumble upon a hidden pond, their gasps filling the air with wonder and surprise. With a confident smile, Emily stands before her classmates, holding a recycling bin high above her head, showing them the problem they need to solve. Working together like a recycling team, Emily and her classmates sort through garbage, dropping items into the recycling bins with a satisfying clatter.
Her heart raced. The images of children in Africa spilled onto the screen. They walked on dusty paths, carrying heavy jugs. Why should they suffer for water? With a spark of inspiration, she grabbed her tools. Today was the day to make a change. 1 yard at a time, she thought. The rain came pouring down. Mud splashed everywhere, covering her shoes. Doubts whispered, could she really make a difference? But then, a splash of joy appeared. A friend joined her, boots bright and spirit brighter. They would tackle the mud together. An older gentleman with twinkling eyes walked over. Let's show this mud who's boss, he said. bringing hope right alongside the sunshine. With laughter and chatter, a yard sale sprung to life. Toys piled high and goodies laid out. Each item sold brought them closer to the dream. Just then, magic happened. Cameras appeared, bright lights on her. "Tell your story," a voice encouraged. Her heart soared. News spread like wildfire. People from everywhere wanted to help. Funds flowed in, making dreams seem closer than ever. Soon, through effort and dreams, 3 new wells were born. Joy danced in every corner. Families celebrated, water at their fingertips. Years flew by, and she grew tall. Dreams blossomed into reality. Her company stood strong, changing lives, one drop at a time. Laughter echoed near the wells. Children played, water sparkling like diamonds. A dream realized, hearts united across oceans. She smiled, looking at the past. A little girl's dream had grown boundless. Persistence and love traveled far, changes rippling like waves.
If you liked the video, as always, do like, subscribe, and don't forget to hit that notification button so that I can keep on bringing you the best free AI tools for you in your projects. Bye bye for now.